This might be the scariest thing we ever do.
Next, we're gonna be ice climbing on this massive, deadly, frozen waterfall. And now there is no turning back. One way or another, we are going to climb this massive cliff using these bladed boots and these ice picks.
This might be the scariest thing we ever do. Wish me luck.
Jimmy, you really expect us to climb this whole thing?
Yeah.
There's no chance.
Truthfully, I wasn't sure if we could pull this off. But what happened next with Nolan did not make me feel any better.
No, all right, guys, stop. I'm out.
You can't quit.
Watch me.
I can't believe Nolan chickened out. That is insane.
Nolan truly left us.
I'm losing grip. Oh, did you almost fall?
Yes. See the top, Jimmy?
This is the scariest thing I've ever done. Fighting the urge to cry, man.
Even though I definitely shouldn't have been doing this,
You're almost there, Jim.
I somehow made it all the way to the top of this waterfall.
We made it to the top.
Let's go.